This is our MAXVAC DV80. Now, this is very unique in its own ways. There's a couple of great features that this has compared to some of our other vacuums. This is a twin motor machine, so incredibly powerful. It is also capable of being fitted with our fixed floor bar kit, which will allow you to push the vacuum around and simultaneously vacuum at the same time. So the customer will receive the box like this. In that box, you will get everything you need to fit the fixed floor bar, as well as instructions on how to do so. And now I will show you how to fit it. So here we have the complete fixed floor bar kit. For this, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a 10mm spanner. First of all, we will remove the floor bar out of the box. After that, we will take our 10mm spanner and remove the 3 bolts half screwed in to the back. Once you've removed those 3 bolts, you'll then be able to screw this plate into position. Take the hose and screw the 2 hose ends into position. Once that's done, this will be ready to attach to the floor bar. Next, we will screw this plate into the bottom of the vacuum. So the next part is to take the bar and slide it into position. Then finally, all we need to do is take our piece of hose and attach. And that is your fixed floor bar fitted.